Look at yourself honestly for a second. You're not lazy, you're overstimulated. Your brain has been trained to chase the easiest reward. Your phone, endless scrolling, explicit content, quick pleasure. Day after day, it pulls you further away from the person you know you could be. That's why you feel drained, distracted, and frustrated with yourself. You click it on this because part of you is tired of repeating the same cycle. Every night you tell yourself this is the last time, and then tomorrow comes and you do it again. Little by little, that cycle steals your confidence, because when you keep losing battles against your own impulses, it doesn't just make you feel weak, it makes you feel disconnected from yourself. Here is the truth no one tells you. This is not about willpower. Your brain has been conditioned to crave constant stimulation, and unless you change that, your future will keep looking like your past. But that changes now. In the next few minutes, I'm going to give you a practical system to regain control of your focus, your energy, and your life. Stay with me, because this could be the turning point where you stop feeling stuck and start becoming stronger. First is reset your dopamine. Right now, your brain is overloaded. You check your phone constantly, reels, stories, random videos. Your mind never gets a break. And when your brain is flooded with easy pleasure, discipline starts to feel impossible. For the next 7 days, cut out the unnecessary noise. No binge scrolling, no endless entertainment, no cheap stimulation. Replace it with work, books, walking, silence. You need to let your brain feel boredom again, because boredom is where your mind starts healing. This isn't some trend, this is the first step in taking your power back. Second is to control your environment. What you consume shapes what you desire. If your feed is full of triggers, suggested content, and distractions, you are making this fight harder every single day. Clean everything. Unfollow accounts that pull you backward. Delete your watch story. Block the sites and apps that keep trapping you. Your mind absorbs what you feed it. If you fill it with garbage, don't be surprised when your habits reflect that. For 1 week, replace your usual content with things that actually improve you. Learning, fitness, purpose. Watch how quickly your cravings begin to lose their grip. Third, use your body. A restless body often creates a restless mind. If you sit around all day with unused energy, your urges will feel stronger. Move, train hard, lift weights, run, play a sport, walk until your mind clears. Physical effort gives your mind a new outlet. It turns frustration into momentum. Instead of wasting your energy on habits that weakens you, put that energy into building yourself. Use your strength to grow, not to escape. Fourth is to replace the urge. When an urge hits, don't try to wrestle with it in your head. That's where most people lose. Instead, interrupt the pattern immediately. Get up, splash cold water on your face, do push-ups, step outside, text or call someone, change your environment. Urges come in waves. They rise, peak, and fade. If you can break that pattern for just 10 to 15 minutes, the intensity usually passes. Don't treat urges like monsters. Treat them like signals. They're telling you that you have energy. Your job is to direct that energy somewhere better. Fifth is to build an anti-boredom plan. Most people don't relapse because they're overwhelmed by desire. They relapse because they have nothing meaningful to do. You're alone, you're bored, your mind starts wandering. That's when the old pattern sneaks back in. So stop leaving empty space in your day. Have a plan before the weak moment arrives. Keep a list of things that you can do. Read, work out, learn a skill, build something, make progress. A bored mind drifts toward comfort. A focused mind moves toward growth. And now ask yourself, who are you becoming? If your identity is, I'm someone who always gives in, then nothing changes. But the moment you decide, I'm someone who takes control, everything shifts. Self-control is not a gift, it's a skill, and it's the foundation of confidence, peace, and success. If you don't lead yourself, everything around will start leading you instead. This is your moment to choose differently. So make the decision now, not tomorrow, not next week, right now. And if you're serious about taking your life back, type, I'm done living like this. Because this could be the day everything changes. See you in the next video.